Hello everyone! Ah, in the title it says colliders or collisions. But before that, I believe we should do some other things first. This thing, for instance. There's a lot. Seems to be correct now. Very good. Let's make a test. Once again. Hey, baby. What's poppin'? Yo. Okay. My brain, I guess. Yeah, I don't need to make that complicated. I have to go AFK when my laundry is ready. Soon. This is wrong anyway. It should be like added velocity. This maybe. Getting faster, why? Seems to be reset every time. Interesting, let's make a velocity. Like this. Will probably go upwards. Correct now. If I now tell the floor you are a floor, player is blocking. It should not be going through it. Ah, nice. Collision works. Needs to be that. Where was that again? American piece. I don't remember. Where do we find collision preset? Ah, there it is. Hmm. Where's the player? Maybe I shouldn't use the player for... Yes, this is the player. I need a different thing. Okay. Where is it? Ah, entity capsule. We don't have this orbiting detector, or do we? Maybe I should keep that. Seems to work. We should also have the side effect that the explosion doesn't yeet our characters out of the screen. So let's go and implement this in. We don't need it. Where do we do this? Where's the player? Here. Die. Up so. No entity thing. No sense. Okay. Where is it? Why can't I find it here? Oh, there we go. Our player should be fine now. Let's test if we get yeeted or not. Oh, that's bad. Well, at least we don't get yeeted, but now our ground thingy cannot find the floor. Oh, this is a problem. What did we change? Maybe the floors have changed. Where the hell is the collision? Problematic. It needs blocking. I guess for ground detection. Press can F off. I think. Nope. Collision this time. What else do we need to... This makes no sense. Physics body. Do it one by one, I guess. Nope. next one. The player makes no sense, but let's go and find out. Maybe I should do a binary search. Just tick on the half and see. So these ones are not responsible. Or this. I don't know if I even use ground detection anymore. I feel like I used a collision box for that. Oh. Remember. Okay, so this is correct now. This and this. Or again. Maybe it's world static that needs to be blocking. Very funny. Ah, it is physics body maybe. Physics body. Something needs to land. Funny enough, do I even do a line trace? Why would it fail? Maybe it's the initial one that fails. Dynamic now on. No, blocking, sorry. Honest. Oh, physics body is the only thing that is now not blocking. It is pawn then. Is it pawn? Seems to be pawn. Alright then. Why do we even use line trace anymore? Why? Huh. Well. There is apparently a patch for Homeworlds 1.3, but sadly, with the game is not gameplay. Issue is the story. Gameplay was okay. Although it was flawed, but was good. Oh, maybe this is the problem. This. Let's see if the goblin scans. No. The type was wrong. Nope, it needs to be Paul. And no sense in my head. Apparently it makes sense in their head. Let's try again. Okay. Now we can test if the guy gets yeeted. We'll have to make sure that when we stop, player also stops. Seems like it didn't get yeeted, right? What was that? It was so strange. He flew there and then didn't materialize. Well, that is a very, very hard thing to test. Because I would need to start a fight while the other guy is in the transition. We can try. Ah, I didn't pay attention. Why doesn't he get... Ah, he does get tired, but he doesn't get 0 velocity when he gets tired. That's interesting. I think that was too late. I'm not sure. Seems like it was too late for that. And it was too early. Oh no, it wasn't early. It did the thing. Very strangely, so we cannot reproduce that error that we just saw. Very strange. Well, what do we do next? We fixed a lot of issues. I guess now it's time for custom gravity, probably. Custom gravity and also walls next to the path, but that's also another step, so it doesn't matter that much. We need to add gravity. Deactivate all collisions we do not need. I think I did that. Is this a problem even? Yes, it was. Change wall collision to WB floor tech. It's done. Auto run. We should do that next. Orpling walking. It is done, I think. Materialize. Yes. Look at when start materialized. Yes, this is all done. This needs cleanup. Rework bonk function, use sundry physics on it. Make barriers. I mean, probably I mean walls with that. Delete. Delete me variables and functions. Hello, King. I'm fine, how are you? Welcome, welcome. Try visible walls and object blocking. Not sure what I meant here. Make sure to have a process to manipulate enough mesh generation with collision objects like rocks to... Ah, yes, this is still something that is needed. Check. Edges. Interesting way to write it. Unwalkable path versus collision wall to make sure Orpling doesn't get stuck. Yes, I guess. Now we are going to Walter White instead of a king. So, let's fix auto run and for ARP links too when they are tired. So first, yes, I also looked into it, but I couldn't find anything. So I should get rid of these tests. Alright then. Where? I'm interacting. Am I? Did I ever reset? Yeah, right? I mean, it detects when you're in the Z plus axis and are upright, but if you are in the Z minus and you are upside down, then it doesn't detect anymore. And I'm sure even the capsule is upside down where the feet should be now in the top. Which is weird. You can do the capsule in any orientation and it will only detect feet on the minus Z axis. Why ever? So where do I do the interaction stop? Do I ever do that? Alright, my laundry is ready. Give me a sec. Alright. We are back. I need to deactivate the movement when that happens. Thank you! How do we deactivate the movement? Aren't I deactivating it already? Why did it work with this, but now it doesn't work with this? What's different? Very strange. Like, this is not... We start with inactive and look into this. When do we... Oh. Oh my god, I hate this so much, man. Please this, thank you. Clear movement flags. This is what we need. Why doesn't this work anymore? Stop movement and clear flags. Enable controls. Where is this? Only in battle controller. Uh-huh. Maybe I should do this anytime I'm interacting with the world. What if we did this right now? What happens? Then just stop moving, which is also not good for some things, but... He still moved there. Still didn't stop there. Didn't help. This would help for the teleporter, but teleporter is whatever. You'll probably... Oh, it's not stopped. Oh, it has still velocity. It actually does work. And then we cannot move anymore after that. Because we are disabling the movement. So, clear flags is correct. And then we also need to clear the animation from the idle. To the idle, I mean. Top flag. We need this here. And then we also need to make the velocity be 0. Velocity. reset. What the? That's not what I pressed! Split! My god. Okay. Oh baby, you're leaving. I see. Good night. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, now let's see if the auto walk gone. Good. Also good. But we still have the same problem with Tomati being tired. Let's see. How do I know that he's tired? He's tired now. Yeah, we definitely need to do something about the velocity there when he's tired. Make this a function. Here, animation and no, clear movement flags. Oh wait, even use this? Oh here. What is this? Oh, these are tests we don't. Gravity. I see. I'll go away. We have stop movement and clear flags, but that also disables the controls. Where am I using this? Only for the battle. I mean, if we are doing this, this is not all. We could put this into... Okay. So this is stop movement. Disable controls and clear flags. And this one is stop movement. And clear flags. And go here. Do this. And do this. Here we can also say the velocity. Get. And velocity set. Split this, split this. Z stays the same, the others get zeroed. Like this. Now the correct way to do this, I think. Now, where was that input? For movement. Was it here? No. Vertical, horizontal. I need to go back and find it. There it is. Layer interaction procedure. Now we do this. Put it here. Should be good. So anytime we interact with something, we stop. Although it doesn't feel good with the teleporter. I mean, whatever, I guess. It seems to work, so... We will not have a teleporter, so I'm not very concerned about that. Maybe at some point, but then I can do a special case for that. This is okay. So we still need to do something about the fact that the ARP links do not stop but slide towards the player when they are tired. Let's think. Here is tiredness is handled somewhere. Be tired. I guess here we could try and say velocity 0. Get velocity. Okay, now it should stop. Come with me. Yay, it worked. Alrighty. Let's build the special case for the teleporter. I have the feeling I will get... but how would I do this? If I want a special case for the teleporter, I would need to put this in front of all of this. Kinda bad. Or we could end all of them with this. I guess I don't care as much to make the code be messier. Anyway, the most pressing problems are fixed now. We need to add gravity. For this, we need to make a test thingy. That part is actually not really spaghetti. It is only a script flow. It's not doing real logic there. It's just a switch case which goes to the back. It doesn't do the real programming afterwards. The real spaghetti is here. Where was it? Do ability. Was it here? Somewhere it is. Here. This is a real spaghetti. And I really don't care about this one. I have some parts where there is spaghetti, but some parts look like spaghetti, but they are really not. I mean, it is not that bad. It looks very bad, but I still know what's going on there. How do we do this? I just go and add gravity and everything is fine? No, we wanted to do a test environment for this. Yes, it's not that bad. Leave me alone. Yes, exactly. That's also my point. If this was not a solo project, well, it would hamper the productivity of the other guy by 90%, I think. That far I know that this is not good for team play. So let's do a test environment. Where we have a bunch of cubes with some rotations. What actor? Basic shape. Shape here. So let's say these are all scaled by 5 or 3? 5? 3 please. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Copy, paste, I don't know, something like this. Alright. And now we rotate these a little. And this is fine. Now, all of this is with the collision floor. Then we add character. Graph character or something. Like so. Capsule is entity capsule. Now we have to go and add some code in here. Velocity that velocity gets but actually no, first we wanted to test something else. Alright, don't worry. On parallel, I'm looking into this one where it's always flying with gravity. I have it like this. Now if I walk with this guy, it will probably go up here and then stay in that thing, or even have a velocity that goes up like this. I need to add some kind of input. And then key pressed, no, key input. Right. Okay. And then first graph. Boop. Boop. What the? Oh my god, please. Okay, that does work that way, or maybe it does, wait. I'm not so sure. So this is a little scuffed for an input thingy, but it's good enough. It's just a test anyway. Then here, velocity, right? How we do this without duplication? We need more floats here. Is this even true? Maybe this doesn't matter. All right. Okay, still need to see it though. Let's think. Here, add cube. Exactly how I predicted. Why is it diagonal? I wire things wrongly. Ah, yeah, of course. Cannot work. So bad. 3.4. 5.4. Let's see. Now, without gravity, having it ground level, this will now float away, right? Exactly. Now if I add gravity, what? They fixed it recently? Are you fucking kidding me? I don't know, man. But now we have the problem that gravity is maybe too strong. I cannot do this, of course. Yeah. No, this seems to work. Although we have some jumps and so on, I could make the gravity maybe a little stronger to avoid these things. I mean, don't hurry. We still have this, you can still tell me about it in the next stream. You don't have to hurry it. But I have now an alternative for the issue. I just need to add a gravity, which is pretty simple to do, and then it would work for my cases. I would never have these slopes here anyway. Should be fine. And then, but we have this, of course. We are sliding. This is not good. So, if I have uneven grounds, my solution is actually not good. I cannot ship a product like this. So, having the solution you have would still be very beneficial, I guess, or else I have to find a way to not lose my position when I am on a slope. Or I eliminate slopes altogether and roads are always perfectly flat, which means I can never add slopes to make high differences, as in going up a mountain or something. Damn it. How do we solve this? Can I fix the position? This guy. It doesn't move in X and Y. By collisions? I guess not. Yeah, why not? Links are offline, so just write whatever .com or something. I will substitute the dot. Or is the big link? Could be, of course. You could write me on private chat, I think. Could still work then. If I had my character walking right now, we wouldn't have this problem, right? This guy. Was it here? Wait, it is already walking. Interesting. Now it's flying. But it should be the same issue, right? Yes, I got it. Post it here. Should be that one, right? Custom gravity. Ah. I think I should look into this. I don't need camera handling. I guess I will not do this today, but I can do a sneak peek. I mean, I'm from Germany, of course, I guess. They do something with C++. I wonder if I can translate this in blueprints. Because the challenge is to not use C++ ever. Except in the end when I have to optimize stuff, but that's something else, of course. This seems to be rather simple. Yeah, but I mean, this is very simple code here. I could write this in C++ myself, but I would rather not have C++ components right now, since I did everything in blueprints. I don't want to have one thing be in C++. I will just look into this and see how to translate this into blueprints. It's like a self-set challenge, as in to show people that think that blueprints is not a programming language, that yes, you can still program a game with it. It is maybe not optimized because the translation is pretty crap, but I mean, for a game like this where it's turn-based, who gives a shit? So I mean, for the things I need to do, I can do everything in blueprints. There's like almost nothing I can't. Man, I'm not concentrated at all. Where is this function? Is this from the gravity controller or character or whatever? We are in the gravity controller, alright. But function. Yeah, so this is a function that is declared here. World rotation. So it's just rotation here right now. Not even movement. Player state class. Wait, what class is this? Ah, I see. Interesting, they are rewriting the player controller. They are inheriting it from. Where do we put it then? Gravity, whatever. Their states. This is the game mode, right? Yes. They put in their custom game controller. So is the rotation responsible for everything then? Manipulating gravity, I don't care about that. So is the rotation that important? Are they rotating something special? we do update it here. View rotation. Delta gravity. Warped. Camera rotation, I don't care right now. I'm just not sure what we are actually rotating. Are we just rotating the... No, this is actually getting the rotation and the update. Where do we set it? Base rotation P. That's base rotation. Get pawn or spectator. Interesting. So I can definitely not just copy this because I need to do the same thing for the ARPLings. This will only work on the possessed thing. Let control rotation. Convert the rotation back to world space and set it as a current control rotation. Here the roll of the camera. Convert the view rotation from world space to gravity relatives. Now we can work the rotation as constant gravity was. Add gravity relative rotation. Is that a function we already have? Add gravity relative rotation, yes. View rotation and gravity direction. Huh. What he does here then? Click image to see bigger version, yeah, thanks. So did you test this? Does it snap to the ground correctly? It takes a while, huh? Gravity. So maybe this is for general purpose. Wait, what is self here? Target gravity actor. Is this the planet or is this the planet? Character movement. Ah, okay, this is the character itself. Gravity actor is then planet? Ah yeah, of course, you have the direction from the center to your character, so you wouldn't know where the normal is, and then you set the gravity to that tangent, or the normal. Interesting. I'm just not sure how it works. Because it seems like he's just rotating stuff. Why can't I just rotate it myself and then look that it works? That doesn't go into my head. There's so much code here. Not much, but my brain doesn't absorb the meaning of it. Update rotation. Where does he even put this into a tick rate, or does it tick automatically because it's, I don't know, some inherited thing? Because he doesn't do it at all here in the thingies. Maybe this is getting ticked automatically. A gravity controller. Update rotation. But why would it? It is an override. So it is probably doing something always in delta time anyway. So since it needs to override an update rotation, you need a C++ thing, because you need to do something in the player controller. But then I'm asking myself, if I set the gravity, what happens to all the other Orplings? They are like upside down and so on. Do they get a different gravity then? This might not work. But yeah, I think I will stop here anyway. But King, if you want to test if it would work for my case, you would need 2 enemies that are upside down and on the top side, and the player switching from top side to the lower side while being able to snap. Could be, but I mean, why else is it on the player controller, right? I don't understand the player controller part. Why would I need it if it's generally for everything? Is player controller just for the camera movement? Makes no sense. I know he needs the camera so he knows the directional input from the view of the camera, but I don't have that complicated of a case. Like, I have only 2 sides. And this is very strange, isn't it? It does something here, which is overriding whatever the normal update rotation does. And there is some pawn and so on from the player character. Something does happen here. Last frame gravity. Delta gravity, warped camera rotation, U rotation, last frame gravity, U rotation, rotation. Not exactly. You need something jacked like this too, because we also have to see if that guy slides down like this. Like if I have gravity, you can see that he's sliding down that edge. That should not happen. I have a gravity. I have only two gravities, which is like top side and bottom side, but the sides can be like uneven. I think that's not covered by that case because they are like only on a flat surface, and any surface you're on, that is now your new gravity. You think that's friction? I think that would just make a very, very, how to say, I think I never was able to do that friction because since I'm always adding a velocity already, the friction just breaks it a little. Very, very hard. I mean, I could look if there's flying friction. There was some frictions. Falling lateral friction. Well, that's not the problem we have, but I mean, whatever, right? Make a very big friction here. And braking friction, we don't use brake. And he's still sliding down. Yeah, that's not the problem. This is not friction, like we don't have a velocity that can decrease. This is a velocity that's getting added by the code. Because of my custom gravity. What I could do in this case is, for my case, like without the other solution, when I stop, when I have no movement, I also stop the gravity. Maybe after 3 frames or something, I can stop the gravity. Or immediately, I'm not sure. If you're not moving, I could... just stop it here. Let's test if that works. So if we have movement, please add gravity. And if not, please make gravity 0. And then it should stop doing that. That would also mean that if you're in the air, that it will float in the air until we press an input key. It's not an optimal solution. But we are not sliding anymore then. Yes, if this works, I don't need it anymore. The only thing I need to fix now is if we are like in the air, then I need gravity. I need to check if I'm in the air. That I can do with line trace, I guess. I think I have a solid solution here. The only thing we have to do is like we are now in the air, and if I move, then gravity kicks in again. But if we are in the air, gravity should be kicking in, and if we are on the ground, it should stop. You can see here how gravity... This is actually the gravity from from VRChat. VRChat's gravity works like this. I recreated the gravity of VRChat. Isn't that funny? Anyway, that's tomorrow monkey's problem. Let's make a ticket. Solve in-air gravity problem. Line trace 2 feet. And then we can also save this as a gravity test level. Gravity tests. Test gravity map. Something like that. Then we can just move this to gravity test. There. And we should be fine. All right. All right, King. Thanks for your support, man. But I am off now. I'm so glad I'm finally reaching the end of this refactoring, man. Ah. Anyway, King, thanks for tuning in. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye!